been a while since I've smashed one of these. It's been like a year or so. And this one's gonna go in the microwave. I wanna see something. I wanna see if it'll catch on fire or something. Why does it smell like marijuana? Capacitor. I can tell how long it is. That's 2 minutes more. Oh my God. It's like starting to melt, so I'm gonna throw it back in there. Bro, our cat is just howling. Yummy. There's the taste of, or taste, there's the smell of shitty plastic. Is that on fire? It might be on fire. No. It's done. I wish the film on a hill, don't I? Oh, that's disgusting. Alright, on to the next thing. I heard that if you put a CCFL light bulb in the microwave, it'll light up, so let's see how true that is. Oh, it will light up. I don't know if it's gonna explode though. Wow, so fancy. And this light bulb did work, I think. I don't know if it's going out. But no, the actual... There's another light bulb like this that works, but I don't know. It smells sweet. And I'm still in the mood for nacho cheese. It's only a couple minutes later, but like... It's not gonna do anything. Wait, I don't want to add 30 seconds. Wow. So fancy. We're gonna go smash this too. Is that the gun? And the light bulb? Get away. I didn't even notice that. Look at how burnt up it is inside. This thing's all melty. The light bulb didn't last. Oh, look at that, I got all burnt up on the inside. Smashed one of these ages ago. Salting my camera. I hate how my Apple Watch keeps advising that I'm in a loud environment. Like, I know I am. What's the point? Assaulting me? Piece specifically? Here's a piece of the speakers, I guess. I don't know. What else even is here? The end of that.